What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Andrew here at Electric City Harley-Davidson. Today we are doing another walk around on a brand new bike, the 2023 Breakout 117. All right, so here is the 2023 Breakout 117. A highly anticipated bike that was discontinued for a few years and now is back with some major improvements. This bike is in Atlas Silver. It's also available in Baja Orange, Vivid Black, and Black Denim. Some new stuff on the bike. Some really beautiful stuff. All these chrome finishes, from your fender supports to your side covers to your exhaust, your turn signals, your mirrors, your heavy breather, which you'll see 117 on. That's the cubic inches. It is upgraded from a 114 to a 117 on that heavy breather, all finished in chrome. You have the classic softail frame with the adjustable preload for the rear suspension. New reshaped seat to accommodate a much larger 5-gallon tank. 2-to-1 exhaust, once again coming out of that Milwaukee 8 117, 6-speed transmission. You have a 26-spoke, 21-inch front tire, and then that classic 240 series big fat rear tire. You have a stretch riding position on this bike with forward controls. You've got that real low seat height and a 2-up position. And then really nice features, these LED lights and your digital tech gauge up here on the bars. Just a gorgeous machine. All right, so that was the Breakout 117 from Harley-Davidson. Brand new bike, 2023, brought back into the lineup. If you have any questions, give me a call here at the store, 570-483-0883. My name is Andrew. Check out that demo truck. Pretty cool. See you next time.